G'day guys, well here we are with another black car. Bit nice for somebody could bring me a different coloured car for a change instead of all black, but it must be popular with black cars, I guess. This is immediately following the Beamer that we just did, which is also black. Reminds me of an old saying that old Henry Ford said people can have whatever colour car they like as long as it's black. And it's another black car, and what we've got here today is a severity of car wash damage. If anybody can see this, how it's really dulled up. It's actually been burnt by car wash chemicals, and we did a small patch here to sort of like ascertain if it can be restored. It looks like it can be restored. It hasn't gone too far. This is in the shade, of course, but this is going to be the project next to bring this thing up a lot better than what it currently is. It doesn't have severe levels of damage, but you know, it is a little worse for wear, and it's in kind of need of attention. And by the time we're done with this, it should look nice and pretty, and it should come out looking a lot better than what it currently is, as they always usually do anyway. I do a lot of black cars, and we've even got chemical burn here on the door and on the back here where it's all dulled up, and it's starting to take effect. These car washes on this car, it's starting to erode the paint really badly. And if you take a look at this kind of paint job, and then we go to this kind of paint job of when we did this black Beamer, there's a huge difference in the level of shine. I know this is under the shade, but this is the car we did yesterday, which was completed, and it just come up looking like $1,000,000, and it was a stage 3 paint correction treatment with paint protection application. And this is kind of like what we're going to do to this Lexus here. It's pretty much exactly the same treatment. We're going to correct it, high glass, polish it, finesse it so we get the best possible shine out of it, the best possible depth and shine, and then we're going to hit it. It's a nice paint sealer, so keep in touch, and we'll get back with the after results of this road. Take care guys.